Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm looking at iPhone cases today. I'm specifically looking for iPhone 11 because I have an iPhone 11 in purple. So I really like this brand. It's like Candy Couture and they have some super cute patterns for your iPhone. I don't see iPhone 11. I see some iPhone X's. Some cases are really slow, or some brands are really slow at getting into the newest iPhone. But the iPhone 11 has been out since like September. So I think they've had plenty of time to make some cases for it. But I really like this pink one with the flowers. It's so pretty. So this is the section that usually has the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. I see this one is new. It's like holographic. They have a lot of new ones. This one just new with the violets on it. This one is super pretty. This one is simple, but it is pretty. And they have a lot of screen protectors too. I'm looking for a screen protector that also kind of hides what's on your phone. So like people can't be nosy and see like what you have on your phone. But I didn't see any of those here. So I hope you guys liked seeing the latest iPhone 11 cases at 5 below. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.